From Kim Kardashian's jaw-dropping Dior moment to Teyana Taylor's golden Schiaparelli masterpiece, the All's Fair premiere in Paris was a fashion showdown like no other. Who ruled the red carpet, and who missed the mark? Let's break down the best and worst dressed celebrities of the night and the unforgettable fashion highlights everyone's talking about. Starting from worst dressed, Naomi Watts. Naomi Watts' Valentino haute couture look divided opinions. The cropped jacket with contrasting white trim and an oversized bow certainly made a statement. Some called it overcomplicated, but there's no denying it carried an air of Parisian theatricality. Without the jacket, the lace bodysuit alone leaned too heavily into sensuality. The jacket added structure and charm, balancing boldness with elegance. While the ensemble had potential, it ultimately fell short on cohesion. For the All's Fair premiere in Paris, it was daring, but not quite flawless. Niecy Nash. Niecy Nash knows how to command a red carpet, and her Porsche Cooper leather gown fit her like a dream. The tailoring was impeccable, a sculpted silhouette that celebrated her figure while exuding power and confidence. The gloves added old Hollywood drama, and her attitude sold the look completely. But then came the hat. The floppy structure took away from what could have been a picture-perfect moment. A more structured headpiece would have tied the look together beautifully. Even so, Niecy's charisma and presence ensured she still looked like one of the most stylish celebrities of the night. Sarah Paulson. Sarah Paulson took a high-fashion risk at the All's Fair premiere in a Schiaparelli Spring 2026 ensemble, and while the concept was intriguing, the execution felt overly artistic for the occasion. The transparent white jersey jacket, draped into a double-breasted silhouette with a gold bijou button, paired with oversized peg trousers, gave off an avant-garde vibe that wasn't easy to pull off. Her accessories, saltstone earrings and a gold-plated brass necklace, were stunning and sculptural, almost like wearable art. Yet, the hand-in-hand Schiaparelli clutch pushed the look too far into surreal territory. There's an underlying poetic idea behind the look, about vulnerability and visibility, and Sarah embodied it beautifully. However, on a red carpet meant to celebrate cinematic glamour, the outfit read more fashion exhibit than Hollywood chic. Kris Jenner. Unfortunately, Kris Jenner missed the mark this time. Her vintage Oscar de la Renta gown featured a high-neck ruffled collar and button-down velvet design that felt more like a costume than a couture statement. Instead of elegance, it aged her and overwhelmed her frame. For someone known for sharp, modern silhouettes, this look felt like a step backward. It was too heavy, too serious, and too reminiscent of Gothic nostalgia rather than the celebrity fashion trends 2025 are currently embracing. Kris usually embodies celebrity style that's sleek and contemporary, but this one felt lost in translation. Best dressed, Glenn Close. Glenn Close delivered a masterclass in celebrity-style fashion with her Balmain Spring 2026 suit. The crystal-embellished shoulders added a modern twist to a structured, confident silhouette. The peekaboo bra added a playful edge without crossing into excess. Carrying a Balmain bag, Glenn balanced masculine tailoring with subtle glamour. It was the perfect blend of poise and ease, proving that celebrity style doesn't always have to scream. Sometimes it just needs to shine quietly. Her look belongs on every best dress list, and it's proof that confidence and minimal sparkle can make an unforgettable red carpet look. Teyana Taylor. Teyana Taylor proved once again that she's one of today's most stylish celebrities, wearing a breathtaking Schiaparelli Spring 2026 halter-neck gown that turns surrealism into pure seduction. Crafted from gold metallic mesh, the gown featured Schiaparelli's signature trompe l'oeil shredded detailing, each lined with crystal embroidery that shimmered under the Paris lights. The look paid homage to Elsa Schiaparelli's 1938 teardress, a collaboration with Salvador Dali that blurred the lines between art and fashion. Under Daniel Roseberry's direction, that same surrealist spirit lives on, reinterpreted through cutting-edge craftsmanship and unapologetic sensuality. The torn textures symbolize the tension between vulnerability and power, a theme Teyana embodied flawlessly. Her sculpted physique and fearless presence gave the gown new life, proving that celebrity-style fashion isn't just about the clothes, it's about the confidence to own them. With minimal accessories and her natural charisma, this was one of the evening's most unforgettable star fashion moments. Kim Kardashian. At the Disney Plus Paris premiere of All's Fair, Kim Kardashian delivered a defining red carpet look that celebrated the allure of archival couture. She wore a Dior by John Galliano Spring 2000 baby blue gown, a form-fitting, off-the-shoulder design with a deep neckline, subtle floral patterning, and a dramatic mermaid silhouette. Galliano's craftsmanship shone through the gown's pleated and folded construction, creating architectural beauty that felt both nostalgic and contemporary. The pastel tones softened the sculptural lines, giving the entire ensemble a delicate yet powerful femininity. Kim completed her look with her posse jewelry, including the Certi Sur Vide ring set with 7 diamonds, the Antifer 2-row ring, and a mix of Certi Sur Vide earrings and ear cuffs. The diamond accents added sparkle without overpowering the gown's dramatic form, reinforcing her place among the best-dressed celebrities of the night. This moment captured 2025's growing fascination with archival fashion, the revival of iconic runway pieces reinterpreted for today's audience. By choosing Galliano's 2000 masterpiece, Kim aligned herself with the ongoing trend of blending heritage design with modern relevance. Her appearance was a reminder that sometimes true celebrity style means letting the couture do the talking. And that wraps up our breakdown of the best and worst dressed at the All's Fair premiere in Paris. Which look stole your heart, and which one totally missed the mark? Let me know your picks in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more celebrity fashion breakdowns and red carpet style moments from the biggest events of 2025. See you in the next one.